Seriously, gonna be on your phone while this?
Yeah.
Look at that brush. Oh, it's the waterfall.
It's the fact you've got like lights. It's pretty.
Oh yeah, it does feel like we are moving. Whoa.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, it makes you feel sick. Oh.
Well, our windshield's gone.
I've had to make sure.
Oh my gosh.
Handbrake's on.
The windshield's gone. You know, a YouTuber's done this, but his windows were open. Well, not so much you'll enjoy this. Yeah, at least I don't know what's going on now. Oh no. Whoa. What do we have next? Oh, it's the brushes. Here we go. It's the brushes.
It's alright, Alex. This is like you never used to like. Did you nearly crap yourself?
I thought we were moving backwards right now. Wow. Still got like another 4 minutes.
Come for it again.
No.
You'll have to.
Oh, I'm not coming through this now. There's a rainbow styled one back there. Ooh.
Now we're going to put the blower on, and it does make noise when it comes to the seatbelt bit.
Does it?
Not as loud as what we've just had.
Oh, great. Is that going up? Oh, there we go. I think the antenna's still
That's
on.
alright.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's still on.
When we come out,
No, we're not looking.
no, when we come out, I'll try and reach my phone like that so I can see. Oh no, it's going back. What do we have next? Ah, still the bar.
That's it, when it comes.
No, I think we have the wax after this.
Oh, that's it. Oh, hang on, they're mist.
Yeah.
No, because it's dry there. Oh, I don't know. I don't even feel like it's done the wheel trims, but it must have.
Yeah, I know.
That's it.
Go. Let's see if the antenna's still on.